Okay. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be on a slave, I going to be buried in my grave. And going home to my God and be free. That was one of the yet English watch. So we honor see, and children be anything like that, then I crack the tip of we, like honor the crack the tip of the bottom thing, but the bottom be we, and we be the bot. So thank you, brother.